Vari Renewable Technologies wins 102.75 crore rupees EPC solar project order. Vari Renewable Technologies saw positive investor attention after securing a new EPC order, with near-term sentiment supported by improved revenue visibility and execution-linked cash flow potential. The order reinforces confidence in the company's ability to consistently win and deliver large solar projects. The company has been awarded an EPC contract for a ground-mounted solar power project with a capacity of 25 MW AC, 35 MWP, along with associated evacuation infrastructure of 50 MW. The project will be executed on a turnkey basis, covering engineering, procurement, construction, and grid connectivity. The order, valued at approximately 102.75 crore rupees excluding taxes, has been awarded by a large domestic industrial entity engaged in pig iron, castings, and seamless tube manufacturing. This reflects increasing adoption of renewable energy solutions by energy-intensive industries. Execution of the project is scheduled within FY27, providing medium-term revenue recognition and adding depth to Vari Renewables' existing EPC pipeline. The inclusion of evacuation infrastructure enhances project scope and typically supports better execution margins and technical complexity. From a strategic perspective, this order strengthens Vari Renewable Technologies' positioning in utility-scale and industrial solar EPC projects. As a subsidiary of Vari Energies, the company benefits from in-house module expertise, procurement efficiency, and execution scale. Within the broader renewable energy sector, demand for captive and large format solar installations continues to rise as corporates focus on energy cost optimization and sustainability commitments. EPC players with proven delivery capability remain well placed to benefit from this trend. Key risks to monitor include execution timelines, grid connectivity approvals, and potential cost fluctuations during the project lifecycle. However, Vari Renewables' track record in delivering complex solar projects provides comfort on execution reliability. Looking ahead, continued order inflows in EPC solar projects, timely execution, and conversion of backlog into revenue will remain critical drivers. The latest order adds incremental visibility and supports Vari Renewable Technologies' growth outlook in India's expanding renewable energy landscape. The investor takeaway is that the 102.75 crore rupees EPC win strengthens Waaree Renewables' order book, enhances medium-term revenue visibility, and reinforces its role as a key execution partner in India's solar infrastructure build-out.